Hello guys, and welcome to the tutorial on how you can use mass order option. So if you have multiple links that you want to order the same service for and you don't want to do it by hand, all by one, enter the quantity and the link right here, you can do it by using the mass order option from the menu. So let's navigate to the mass order option. So as you can see, what you need to have is your links prepared, the service ID, and the quantity you want. So for example, let me find the service ID I want for my YouTube videos. You use mass order only if you want to order the same service for multiple links. So let's filter category, and for example, I want those views, which is 1137. So service ID 1137, and right here you enter the links. I like to do it this way. So I got my links prepared, I know the service ID, and I know the quantity of views I want to order. I already have those links in my notepad, so right here I'm going to simply paste it, and right here I'm going to enter the service ID. Simply copy that and paste it here, here, and here. And for the quantity, I want, for example, 1000, right? So copy that also here, here, and here. And this is how it needs to look like. So the service ID, the link, and the quantity. You can also add, for example, likes for this video. So if we want to do that, we will go to services and now find likes for YouTube likes, and I want ID 37, for example. So once again, I'm going to copy those links, paste them, but right now the service ID I want is 37. So right here I'm gonna type in 37, copy it right here, and the quantity, for example, 100 likes, right? And also the same process. And I'm ready for the order. Simply click on the order now. Total orders 5, total errors 3. Let me see the details. Not enough funds on balance. So if you do not have enough funds, it will tell you just like this. So one like order was processed, the other 3 wasn't. So what needs to be done? Let me refresh. So I need to top up my balance, right? But when we go and navigate to orders, we will see that we have all of those orders pending, which means we successfully used the mass order option and we ordered 1000 views on 4 different videos at the same time, and we wanted also likes for all 4 of them, but we didn't have money, so we managed to do it for only 1 video, which is okay. And that's how you use a mass order option. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in other tutorials.